Are you looking for an aux adapter for your car without an aux? Do you drive an old car that does not have an auxiliary input for you to connect your iPhone to play your iPhone music? Are you still using one of these cassette adapters from your iPhone right through your car radio? Well, I have a better suggestion for you. Try my gadget out, Gizmo Guy Gadget. I came up with this gadget that will allow you to play all your iPhone music through your older car radio without having to deal with the wire or the cassette adapter. You simply connect my device onto your iPhone like this and set your radio, and you will be able to play all your music from your iPhone through your older car radio without aux input or Bluetooth or one of these irritating FM transmitter. I'm sure you already tried one of these FM transmitter and it doesn't work. It's full static and humming and hissing, all different kind of noise. Try my gadget out. Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is specifically made for old car without an aux input. All you gotta do is plug it into your iPhone and you'll be able to play all your music through your older car radio loud and clear without static or humming noise.
My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing. There's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
You come with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it in any way, just simply send it back and you'll get your full refund. But I guarantee you this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Give it a try. I'm sure you're going to be very happy with it. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. I came up with this gadget for older car to connect so that way you can play all your iPhone music through your older car radio. You will not need aux, you will not need Bluetooth. Simply connect my device to your iPhone like this, and you'll be able to play all your music loud and clear without static. Okay, this is Wesley, your Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.